Hello everyone, welcome back to the SEO course. In today's lesson, we are going to understand something very important in SEO. SERP. SERP stands for Search Engine Results Page. Simply put, whenever you search something on Google, the page that appears with all the results is called the SERP. Understanding SERP is very important because the main goal of SEO is simple: to get your website to appear on this results page. Now let's understand this with a simple example. Imagine you search on Google, best laptops for students. Within seconds, Google shows you a page with many different results. You may see blog articles, product pages, comparison lists, videos, and sometimes even images. All of these results together form the Search Engine Results Page, or SERP. Now, an important thing to understand is that there are two main types of results on an SERP. The first type is organic results. These are the free results that appear because of SEO. Websites rank here based on factors like content quality, backlinks, website speed, and overall optimization. When people talk about improving SEO rankings, they usually mean improving their position in these organic results. The second type is paid results. These are advertisements that appear at the top or bottom of the page. Companies pay Google to appear here using advertising platforms like Google Ads. These results are usually marked with a small label like ad or sponsored. So whenever you see that label, it means the company paid for that position. But modern SERPs are not just simple lists of websites anymore. Google now includes many special features that help users find answers faster. One of the most famous features is the featured snippet. A featured snippet is a highlighted answer that appears at the very top of the results page. For example, if you search "What is SEO?", Google might show a short paragraph explaining SEO directly on the results page. This position is often called position 0 because it appears even above the first result. Another very common SERP feature is People Also Ask. This section shows related questions that users frequently search for. When you click on one of these questions, Google expands it and shows a short answer along with a link to the source. For SEO professionals, this section is extremely valuable because it provides great ideas for new content topics. Sometimes, Google also shows images and videos directly on the results page. For example, if you search "how to tie a tie", you will likely see video results from YouTube appearing directly in the SERP. This shows that Google wants to give users the most helpful format for their query. For location-based searches, Google often shows something called the local pack. This usually appears when someone searches for businesses nearby. For example, restaurants near me or digital marketing agency near me. The local pack shows a map along with business listings, ratings, addresses, and directions. This feature is extremely important for businesses that rely on local SEO. So why is understanding SERP important for SEO? Because the SERP tells you exactly what Google wants to show users. By analyzing the results page, you can understand what type of content is ranking, what format Google prefers, and what your competitors are doing. This information helps you create content that has a much better chance of ranking. So let's do a quick recap. SERP stands for Search Engine Results Page. It is the page that appears after someone searches on Google. This page can include organic results, paid ads, featured snippets, related questions, images, videos, and local business listings. And the main goal of SEO is simple: to get your content visible on this page. In the next lesson, we will learn about organic traffic versus paid traffic. So like and share because that's the only way we can keep doing the good work. See you in the next lecture.